Good morning.
Hi.
So we've left the house sit. Now we just got dropped off at the train station. Had a really nice dinner with them last night, as well as breakfast this morning. Now our train is not for about 10 minutes, 10-15 minutes, as we head back to Basel. So yeah, good times. Right, we'll see you in Basel.
Hi.
So yeah, we're at the station.
Yeah, can't see any of the mountain.
No, it's all clouded over and cool
We got
today.
so lucky with the weather while
Yes.
we were here.
But yeah, we are on here for about an hour and a half.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, then we're going to put our bags in a locker so we can just walk around a bit more freely.
Yeah.
Yeah, we've got a few hours to kill in Basel, having a wander. The guys, Dale's recommended a cafe and somewhere to get local food, so we're going to try them because I had no other recommendations.
Yeah, but yeah, just got to wait for the train now. Cool. Onwards. Dog. Dog. Hey, so we made it on the train.
Yes.
Got our own little space. We're just gonna enjoy the views. Mountains are actually that way, as you can see. But,
Back to the mountains.
yeah, I know, right?
Back to the city.
Have you enjoyed your time?
It's been amazing. We've got really good weather as well.
Yeah, it's been really good.
Yeah,
Would you come back?
definitely. It's gorgeous.
Say goodbye to the mountains.
Hello.
So nearly there. About like 10-15 minutes.
Go.
Yeah, it's been really nice. Train's been off and on busy, but now it's really quiet. It was like busy till we got to Bern, and then it was quiet. But you can like charge stuff, so I'm charging my headphones before we...
It's really easy getting around.
Yeah. Yeah, they're really good. Right. Onwards. Sleep now. Hi. So, we made it to the train station.
Our bags down there.
Yeah, there's a locker system down there that we can show you when we get... Oh, where'd you go? Yeah, so we're gonna just go wander around now and see what's Basel like. Right, we're gonna check out the market hall. Probably not gonna get anything, but just have something to look at. That's cool. Yeah, that was cool. We'll definitely probably go back there for a drink before we get the flight. But now we're just going to go explore some more. Yeah, we had no real plans whilst we're wandering around. It's just a bit of an explore for a few hours. So one thing that makes me laugh, I was saying to Alex, this confetti comes from Carnival, which was a couple of weeks ago. But it's just like, weirdly it's linked with my memory of Basel. There's confetti everywhere.
Where are we? We're somewhat a coffee shop which the guy from the house sit recommended. It's an old bank teller's place.
Yeah.
So it's really aesthetic. Yeah, that's sweet.
Cool. Yeah, that's where we had a coffee.
Yeah, it's nice.
Now we're gonna go
Find some food.
Yeah. Fun. So yeah, Basel's known for having a carnival, and those are the style of masks. I want to bring Alex when it's next on, because it's ridiculous. Right, so we are going to go try this restaurant, one up ahead, just to see what it looks like, and probably just get some snacks, maybe a beer.
Lowenzo?
Hey.
Hi.
So yeah, come to get some food.
Yeah. Lowenzo? Something like that.
Yeah.
Getting snacks rather than like full meals.
things. And some beers.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's really nice. Staff's really nice. Has all like the Basel stuff on it. Fun.
Pretzels and meatloaf. White sausages and pretzels.
We're being slowly followed. So yeah, I was saying to Alex, this is a style of mask that is, that's the carnival masks.
Yeah.
Yeah, just crazy. Hey, so we had some food, we had some beer, and then we just kind of looking around, enjoying the sights and sounds. Lots of drumming, which we did ask the lady at the pub/bar that we were at, and she was like, basically it's for the Sundays after Fashna, which is the carnival. People just keep going. For each Sunday it gets progressively more and more.
So the
Last Sunday, yeah, they can't let it go. So now we're going to wander around, just enjoy, might go down to the water. There's a river that runs through, so we're going to go see that and go from there. That is a fun ferry. Hey, so gonna put you guys away because we're walking back to the market hall / to the train station, and then we'll head to the airport. So we'll see you a little later on. Hey. So we've just come back to the market hall to grab a beer, and then we are going to head back to the train station, get our bags, stop at the Migros there to get some chocolate, and then head to the airport.
Get the bus to the airport.
Yeah, they're every 10 minutes, so it's not too bad. Yeah, I'm going to enjoy this. Hey.
Hello.
So we've just bought our tickets, we got our stuff, and now we're going to wait for our bus to the airport. Hey, made it into the airport. Very thorough in security, but everyone was really pleasant. They were curious to what our coffee grinder was. Now we're just walking to the gate, and then yeah. Oh, it's been a really nice day. But It's nearly over now. On the plane, that was more chaotic than it should have been.
It's Hannah, the in-flight lead on today's flight. It is my pleasure to
Hey, so we're off the plane. It took a little bit longer to get off, but that's fine. Now we're just going to try and get through so we can then, our train is at 10. So we got plenty of time, but I'm going to try and get some food before we actually have to get the train. Yeah, it's been alright though. There's a journey. Busy because, so again to date this, a few days ago Heathrow there was a fire near here, so it just shut down the whole airport the whole day, which meant like there were people on our flight that had their flights cancelled previously, so that's why it's busier on the way. Yeah, out now, so we're just walking to the underground, get our 1 hour journey into London to then get our train. We might make food, maybe?
Don't know.
We'll see. Probably just grab something at the train station if I'm honest, but if we have time to kill, we're gonna go out for dinner. All this so we then have work tomorrow. But it's been a good few days. Don't know what that noise is. Hi.
Hi.
So, we made it onto the underground. We're on here for about an hour. It's about an hour. It's fine. It is quiet at the moment, which is always nice. What's the time? Do you know? I'm gonna move you closer just so you can hear me. Probably gonna pause it here for a second.
20 past 8.
20 past 8. So we'll get in. We'll see when we get there. Hello.
Hello.
So we're gonna start finish as we started.
Oh, we're back at Wasabi.
Wasabi because
nothing
nothing else was open except you got katsu curry this time. I got like fried katsu chicken and a roll. Still a nice station, but it's bloody cold.
We're to wait this inside.
Yeah, 1 second. So yeah, we have half an hour or so before a train, so it's not too bad. But we're gonna eat this and just try and kill some time. Because once we're on the train, it's only about an hour 20, and we can walk to our house, so that's all right. Yeah, it's been good. It's been a fun, enjoyable day. Okay, nearly done. Oh.
I'm so sorry, guys.
We are on the train. Sleep time. Hello. So we're walking home. We are nearly there. We'll be there in 2 minutes. And yeah, I'm gonna call. There we are. I'm gonna call this video. I'm gonna call. Sorry about the wind. I can't be asked to sort it. I'm gonna call this video here, and I'm gonna call this little Switzerland adventure here as well. Next video, realistically, probably is going to be our next house sit, which is going to be Ireland, and that for us is in about 3.5 weeks. For you, I don't know. But yeah, hope you've enjoyed this little mini adventure. We certainly have. Maybe not physically rejuvenated, but mentally very much so. So yeah, anything to add?
No, bedtime.
Bedtime. Right, next one.